my name is YOUNGBLOOD. I am the Auto Collision Repair instructor here at North Georgia Tech, here in the North Georgia mountains. Our program is 5 semesters, roughly a year and a half long. In that time, my students learn how to assemble cars, do some, we call that metal fabrication a little bit, and metal work, weld on panels, do a little front end damage, so they'll, replace headlights, bumpers, radiator supports, do some radiators and a little bit of mechanical with the suspension when it gets wrecked. The skills you learn here can carry you up for your career. My students, when they graduate, they can get jobs working in the shop, in the body side or the paint side in a shop, which most of them like to go eventually own their own shop. They also can go, sell parts at a parts counter. It's awesome when you go to order parts, you get somebody that's got some body shop knowledge that knows what parts that you need, so that helps. Insurance adjusters for insurance companies, they can go get jobs, work for insurance companies, and settling claims and helping people that's been in accidents. Even selling parts at local parts house. Paint stores, they sell paint. There's people that work behind the counter that mix paint, get to do with customers every day. So there's a lot of avenues. The pay, when it's starting out, is not as high as some. It's about $10 to $15 an hour starting out. But within a couple of years of developing your skills, when you go to flat rate commission, there's several that's making over $100,000 a year. So that's possible. You do have to be self-motivated. So you need to decide, this is what you want to do. The ones that got it, love it. It gets in your blood, you can't get it out, you love it.
My name is Joel, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I drive 180 miles here to North Georgia Tech because it's a bigger and better staff, and the people are just wonderful here.
My name is AIYANA and I am from Savannah, Georgia. When I move back to Savannah, Georgia, I am going to find a job with my degree and where I live at and stay there and work on cars and do what I love.
My name is Caleb and I'm from Towns County. How you can learn anything to do with cars or how to fix anything. Oh, I think it's a great idea. I love it. It's fantastic. It's the best program I've ever been in.